Okay, so we're making another video, but a little bit more different. So we're gonna just have a new car, and then so we're gonna unbox it today. This car that is from a long ago today, and I got a new toy because I have more toys and I don't have this car. So let's figure it out how to include it. There we go. Almost there. Then we have to do something else. I'm not sure, but we have to go today. My name is Manav. That I almost forgot. So this video is about the car today, and we're unboxing this right now. So here we go. There we go. And that's our car. It looks like even a police car, but look at this. Yeah, it looks nice, right? So if you guys want to know to see more videos of me, then press the like, and then I can show you more videos about car games or like more cars. If you want, then press the like right now. Bye bye. See you next you guys, and always remember, be happy and rise. Bye bye.